Minimal design isn't empty, it's expensive, for a reason. 2 designs, same content, very different feeling. Reason 1. Control. Nothing is accidental, every space is intentional. Reason number 2. Spacing. White space signals confidence, crowded layouts feel cheap. Reason number 3. Restraint. Less choice equals more clarity. Few colors, few fonts. Minimal design doesn't try to impress. It lets quality speak. Why minimal feels expensive? Control, space, restraint. Good design doesn't shout, it whispers confidence.